Tired of your wholesale deals collecting dust and wondering if Zillow, yes Zillow, can actually help you find a beer? Let's dive into whether you can actually unearth gold on this platform. First, understand Zillow's primary function. It's designed for retail buyers, not necessarily investors, however. Don't dismiss it just yet. We're going to use it for targeted marketing. Start by identifying properties similar to the ones you're wholesaling in your target area. Use Zillow's filters like for sale, multifamily, or even keywords like fixer-upper. This allows you to narrow down the search to attract a very specific bureau. Look for properties that might interest investors. Now, here's the trick. Start compiling a list of agents who represent properties in your niche. These agents likely have investor clients or know other agents who do. Scrape contact information from these listings. Craft a concise email or message. Highlight the key aspects of your wholesale property: address, brief description, your discounted price, and a call to action, like call me for details. Keep it professional and to the point. Don't rely solely on email. Pick up the phone, calling agents directly and explain that you have a great deal and you are looking for a beer might yield better results. Remember, Zillow is a long shot, but with targeted effort and persistence, you might just find that diamond in the rough beer for your wholesale deal. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative real estate strategies.